Okay, I don't know if you've seen my review of the itel A80 that I posted about 2 days ago, which I actually thought was the underdog release to dominate the line of this third quarter budget smartphone. But I was wrong. And if you haven't seen that video yet, I will provide a link in the description box. The good news today is, here with me is the Infinix Smart 9, a successor of the Infinix Smart 8 of last year and a new addition to the budget smartphone for this month. So, is the Infinix Smart 9 as smart as Infinix claims it to be, or is it just an upgrade from the Infinix Smart 8 of last year? Guys, that's what we're here to find out. So, let's roll. Budget smartphones are still very generous as they come with complete accessories in the box, like a TPU case, an earpiece, USB Type-C charging cable, 10 watts charging brick, and of course, the phone itself. Seeing all these accessories tend to make me sometimes want to overlook some of the drawbacks. But no, let's unfold more. The build and design are quite fitting for a budget smartphone, and I love how they try to borrow design from iPhone in terms of camera placements and the Google Pixel 9 in terms of flashlight placement. And guys, did I mention that the Google Pixel 9 is my dream phone? Yeah, so keep it low, keep it low. Coming back to the Infinix Smart 9 design, it is quite beautiful and sleek, but not far fresh from that of the Technopop 9 and the itel A80. I know they are related, but you can still stand out, This color I have here is called metallic black, and there are 3 other colors to choose from. And oh, they are all made out of plastic. This device boasts of an IP54 splash water and dust resistance, which is actually a plus. But that doesn't mean you should go tempt yourself by playing with it in water, because it will spoil. The phone locker keys for sound control and for taking pictures are on the right, as well as the power button that also came in as the fingerprint scanner for locking and unlocking this device. Moving to the display, the Infinix Smart 9 offers a 6.7-inch LCD with 720p resolution. It has a dynamic bar that displays quick info like charging, calls, and emails, and that's where the 8-megapixel selfie camera is located. For outdoor activities, the peak brightness is just 500 nits, which is not the best for outdoor service. So, under direct sunlight, you won't enjoy this display. We're also given a 120Hz refresh rate, which did well when it came to fluidity. As for watching videos, playing games, and consuming other medias, I won't say I find it so pleasing because it's still 720p, and you know how much I hate this resolution. But you might like it, and good enough, it came with dual speakers that have good sound quality, but not the best I've heard though. Another addition to the display that I found delightful is the always on feature right here. Like, I didn't see this coming, so kudos. And I can manage to overlook the 720p resolution, but don't bring it back again. With the always on display feature, you can see important information at a glance without the need to unlock your phone. For the hardware aspect of this device, we have got a MediaTek Helio G81 octa-core processor. It is not a super processor for heavy tasks, but slightly better than a Unisoc T606 from last year's Infinix Smart 8. And this new processor will definitely get your day-to-day activities running. Infinix even promised a 4-year smooth operation with this device. Mine is 3GB of RAM that can be expanded to 6GB through memory fusion, and also a 120GB of internal storage, which might not be enough for most people. But that shouldn't be a matter of concern because it can be expanded through the use of an SD card to 2TB, and that's massive, So you can get to download, snap, and save all your favorite moments. The software came with Android 14 out of the box with Infinix XOS Custom Skin 14. There are other software features like FOLAC, TalkBack, and so on. The Infinix Smart 9 is not designed for heavy games like Call of Duty and PUBG, but it can handle basic games like Candy Crush and Stuff to Suffer and their kind. Now, let's take a look at another important sector of the Infinix Smart 9, which is the camera. At the rear, we've got a 13-megapixel main camera, and here are the images it produced. And for the selfie camera, this is what it looks like. So here is what the front camera of the Infinix Smart 9 looks like, and it's audio as well, so guys, tell me what you think about it. I think they are okay for day-to-day use considering the price range, but I'm not a good judge of photography, so guys, take a look at it and tell me what you think about it in the comment section. One standout features of the Infinix Smart 9 is its massive 5000 mAh battery capacity, which ensures that you can easily get through a full day of use and even into the next, depending on how much you use your device. Whether you're browsing the web, streaming videos or making calls, this battery is built for endurance. But the 10 watts charging support is a matter of concern. I spotted this on the itel A80 and now it is here again on the Infinix Smart 9, which is very annoying. As you can imagine the amount of time we have to wait for this device to charge from 0 to 100. Are we going forward or backward? Because I believe we have gone past this stage. So, while Infinix Smart 9 gives us impressive battery life, patience is needed with the charging speed. But considering the price, it is the fair trade for users who prioritize long battery life over fast charging. Now, this brings us to the question we earlier asked. Is the Infinix Smart 9 right here as smart as they claim? Or is it a worthy upgrade from the Infinix Smart 8 of last year? This is what I have to say. The Infinix Smart 9 is a minor upgrade over the Infinix Smart 8 with slightly refinements in design and performance. If you're coming from the Infinix Smart 8, you might not feel compelled to upgrade to this device unless you need a fresh design and slightly improved performance. However, for first-time buyers looking for a budget-friendly option for about 140,000 naira, which is about $80, the Infinix Smart 9 delivers a solid entry-level experience without drastically outperforming its predecessor. But there are better options to choose from at the end of this video. So, if you enjoyed this video, do not forget to give it a like, share it with your friends, and most importantly, do not forget to hit on the subscribe button. Till next time, bye and bye.